On this episode of Inspiration Nation, we have stumbled across one of our homies. Tyler, please tell us about it. What your model is. What do we even have here? Because I didn't even know this was a thing.
So this is my 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Obviously it started bone stock. I bought it used, but I started with bolt-ons and then added nitrous and ended up with a nice big window in the side of my block.
No observation port.
Yeah, exactly.
Hashtag
all the way
Dodger.
through, actually. Matter of fact, yeah.
Both sides.
Yep. Pretty much ever since then, it was just kind of a snowball effect kind of deal. So then built motor, built transmission, built drive line, and then I was like, well, those new Whipples are coming out. Maybe I get my hands on one of them.
Okay.
And then I was like, it's kind of not fast enough. Let me put some nitrous in it. So
hence
and here we are.
Hence the snowball. Now, there's rumors. How fast is it?
So currently, as it sits, it's the quickest and fastest Trackhawk in the world at 889 at 157, and that was on a ramped-in 150 shot. So pretty small shot for a nitrous and the nitrous setup that I have. But yeah, it's not bad, man. 5,400 pounds.
So 100 and how fast?
157.
157 mile an hour in a Jeep.
In a Jeep, yeah.
With no def wobble?
No.
Oh.
No, I mean, it gets a little, sketchy, but you just stay white knuckle and you're fine.
Hell yeah. When in doubt, throttle it out.
That's it, man.
That is awesome, man. So can we, is it top secret, or do we need to know what kind of horsepower range we're looking at?
It's somewhere around 1,400, but it just spins and wants to crawl off the dyno, so that's what I say. I just be generous with it.
Yeah, be generous. It climbs off the dyno. Well, man, it's truly awesome, man. Everybody wants to see it. So, Wes, show the people.
Look good.
I'm like waiting.
Oh my God! Yes!
889.